The basic operation of the HyFlex HC30G, or better known in the industry as the 30G. Before operating a 30G, fill the fuel tank with the proper fuel. The engine requires 87 octane, no E85. Now that we have the proper fuel in the engine, the compressor unloader needs to be in a straight line. If this is down in the start position, this will create undue stress on the starting and the electrical system to the engine. Lever needs to be straight out, the electric start, and the pull start. Only use the pull start if the battery is discharged. Turn the throttle to the full position, use the choke to choke the engine. Once the engine starts, open the choke. Leave the engine running at full speed. We require full speed operation to keep the battery charged for the remote. If you need to control the speed of the pump, that is done hydraulically and not by the throttle lever. Once the engine is started and running, flip the lever down or the 90-degree position so the compressor can now pump air. We can now hook the air hose to the air connection. This is a quick connect. Be sure to attach this quickly as you will discharge a little bit of air. Once we have the air connection hooked up, we will dump water into the hopper to lubricate the pump and the hoses. We now have water in the hopper. We can now attach the material hose to the cam lock fitting. We need to choose now if the machine will be ran in auto or manual. If the switch is flipped to the manual position, the big station operator has complete control of the pump. Forward is maintained and locked in. Reverse is momentary. Select the speed of the pump. This will depend upon the speed of the sprayer. We will run this machine close to full speed. If remote operation is desired, flip the switch to automatic and this light will be illuminated. We can now attach the remote cord. We can now hook up the remote. Align the terminals, latch the housings together. This should easily snap together. We now have control at the spray station, on or off. This switch will not reverse the pump. To reverse the pump, the mix station operator will have to place the machine in manual and reverse. The machine should now be pumping water. Once the pump is pumping water, we will wait until the water gets to a low level in the hopper, and then we will now introduce the properly mixed material into the hopper. For more detailed instructions, for material information, please refer to the operation manual or please call HyFlex Tech Support.